You open your eyes for the very first time and something is already eating you. You're a single leaf on a tree in the Amazon rainforest. This is the most crowded, most competitive, most dangerous jungle on planet Earth. There are more things trying to kill you here than anywhere else on the planet, and you are at the very bottom of all of them. Welcome to the deadliest jungle on Earth. We're going to climb it, one body at a time. Just know now, the thing waiting at the top is not what makes this place deadly. Level 1. The leaf. You're a producer, part of the level that holds more energy than everything above you combined. Every single animal in this jungle is, eventually, made of you. You'd think that would earn you some respect. It earns you the opposite. You see, in the Amazon, sunlight is everything, and 100 other plants are racing you to the tiny gap of it above your head, and while you race, you get harvested. Death. A column of ants marches up the trunk and slices you off in neat little pieces and carries you away before you're even finished growing. You feed the entire jungle. The jungle does not thank you. Level 2. The leafcutter ant. Congratulations, you can move, and you're strong. You carry 50 times your own body weight, which is like a person jogging with a small car over their head. You and your colony farm fungus in underground gardens and move more earth than almost anything in the forest. You are also, unfortunately, protein with legs. You see, an anteater's tongue can clear 1,000 of you a minute, flicking in and out faster than you can react. Death. The anteater, the armadillo that digs out your nest, or the little bright frog that eats you and steals something you didn't know you were carrying. You are a number long before you are an individual. Level 3. The poison dart frog. You are barely 2 centimeters long. You weigh less than a paperclip, and you might be the most poisonous animal alive. A single golden one of you carries enough toxin to kill 10 grown men. Nothing eats you, because eating you is a death sentence. For once you're safe, but here's the catch. You don't make the poison. You see, you steal it from the ants and the mites you spend all day eating, the same poison that got passed up from the leaves. Death. Move you to a jungle without them, and within weeks the toxin fades and you become exactly what you always looked like, a tiny, harmless, edible frog, and everything finds out at once. Level 4. The piranha. You're in the water now and you're famous. The legend says a shoal of you can strip a body to bone in minutes. The truth is quieter and worse for you. Mostly, you're a scavenger. Mostly, you eat what's already dead. And mostly, you are the one being eaten. Death. A caiman scoops you up, a river dolphin picks you off, a bigger fish swallows you whole, or the dry season traps you in a shrinking pool with 100 other panicking piranha. Your terrifying reputation stops exactly none of it. Level 5. The capybara. You made it to a giant, the largest rodent on Earth, 65 kilos of calm sitting by the riverbank, and every single apex in this jungle has you at the very top of its menu. A jaguar wants you from the bank. An anaconda wants you from the water. A caiman wants you from below. A harpy eagle wants you from above. You see, you are so reliably, perfectly edible that half the predators in the Amazon are, in one way or another, built around eating you. Death. Take your pick. Being big didn't make you safe. It just made you worth the effort. Level 6. The anaconda. Now you're the heaviest snake on the planet. You can weigh as much as a grizzly bear. You don't bite things to death. You wrap around them and stop their heart with the pressure of your own body. You eat capybara, you eat caiman, you eat the occasional, very unlucky jaguar. Death. But occasional runs both directions. A jaguar that catches you on land bites straight through your skull, and a caiman is happy to swallow a younger, smaller you. At the top of the water, your only real problem is the other 2 animals that also think they run this jungle. Level 7. The harpy eagle. You rule a level nothing else can even reach. Your talons are the size of a grizzly bear's claws. You drop through the canopy and pluck full-grown monkeys and sloths off the branches before they know you exist. Nothing hunts an adult harpy eagle. Nothing. Death. Nothing but the slow kind. A bad season. A raided nest. A stretch of forest that simply run out of the animals you were built to kill. Up here, the threat was never a bigger predator. It's the jungle itself going quiet. Level 8. The jaguar. You did it. You're the jaguar, the apex of the deadliest jungle on earth. You have the strongest bite of any big cat, and you don't waste it on the throat like the others. You bite straight through the skull, into the brain. You eat caiman, you eat anaconda. Nothing in this entire jungle hunts you. You climbed all the way to the top. But here's what the climb never told you. The Amazon was never the deadliest jungle because of you. You see, the things that actually rule this place are the ones you cannot fight. The frog you can't eat. The fungus that grows inside an ant's brain and steers it like a puppet, then bursts out through its head to infect the next one. And the smallest killer of all, a mosquito, which kills more in this jungle than you, the anaconda, the caiman, and the eagle combined. You spent your whole life climbing to the top of a food chain, death. And the food chain was never where the power lived. The jaguar isn't the deadliest thing in the deadliest jungle. The thing that is, you can barely even see.